my K-pop video. Today we're gonna go through La 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 by Sumi because we just went through in our Arizona K-pop dance workshop last week. It was actually the Halloween workshop, so everyone put on their costume and we did a dance cover with the costume on. We also did the costume competition, trick-or-treating, filming and a photo shoot. It was so much fun in the workshop, and the choreography was also fun and cute, so it was really good song for our Halloween workshop. Alright, so in this video I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first chorus, and we're gonna try with the actual music at the end, so hopefully you guys can join me. Before we start this video, we actually have the in-person K-pop dance workshop in Arizona on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 to 9 p.m. and this workshop opens for any levels and ages, so if you love K-pop and dance, please feel free to join us. It's a really fun workshop. We also offer the free live workshop on our Facebook group called the Arizona K-pop dance workshop, and that's totally free, so feel free to check them out. All of the informations are in the description of this video. Alright, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and whenever you guys ready, let's begin. Alright, so today we're gonna start on one. We're gonna start step and step. Here, we're gonna start with the left foot step forward, and at the same time take your right arm up, left arm down. We're just gonna wave and bring it back. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Now you're gonna step to the right and then wave again. 4. You're just gonna take your right arm up first and switch and bring it back to the center. From the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now wave back and right wave back. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on 4, I want you guys to keep your right hand on your right so that we can go 5, 6, 7, 8. This move, after this, you're gonna make OK sign on your right hand, and then step left. You're just gonna bring your arm from the right to the center and pull it back to your chest and pull your elbow. Good. Okay, boom, 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 pop. Good. This is gonna be 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, you're gonna touch your hand with your left hand and you're just gonna shake, 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 and pull. Good. Your right arm and right leg moves at the same time. So touch and then bend your right elbow, touch, touch, and last one, pull. Yes, bring your arms, make a fist, and bring it in front of your chest. We're gonna go right to the center, pull. Good. Alright, let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull and step, 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 and pull. Good. After this, you're gonna step back. When you step back with your left leg, take your hands to your hip, to your lower back. Yes. And do a little bit of wave. And then you're gonna step forward. You're gonna face forward. Take your left leg back and then wave to the left and right. Entire time you're gonna take your both of your arms in front of your chest, move your fingers a little bit and just swing to the left, swing to the right. Good. And then you're gonna step forward. This is gonna be the same move, left, right, left, right. Once you get to the left, right facing forward, now take the left foot forward and again left, right. Your body goes left, right, and at the same time you're gonna point with your right finger and then left hand on your hip. You can also add your head to the left, to the right. Good. And then one more time, drop your arm down and left, right. Good. Okay, so after this, okay, and pull. Now step, 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 and pull. Now step back, left, face front, left, right, face right, left, right. One more time, left, right. Good. In a count, let's do from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, you're gonna step to the left, cross your hands, and lean to the right, hands behind your head. Good. And then drop your right hand to your hip and go through your legs. When you go through your legs, you can lean to the right a little bit. Yes. Lean. And then you're gonna tap. Good. So after this, we're gonna step left and right. Tap your hip, lean and tap. In a count, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And then you're gonna face right. Yes. From the left foot, left, right. And make an index with both of your hands. You're just gonna tap twice. Tap, tap. And then you're gonna take your neck to the right and front. Yes. And then you're gonna step forward again from your left foot. Left, right. Hands on your hip, face left. And then bring your hands in front of your chest. Get ready. And punch. Yes. When you punch with your right arm, and when you're getting ready, you can slightly lean to the right and punch facing forward. Good. Now this is the first 4, 8. Let's do from here. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slide, tap to the right, right, left, and face left. Get ready. Punch. Good. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Punch. Good. Now after punch, you're gonna slightly jump and bend your knees. Yeah, drop your hip down and punch down. Now you're gonna take your left knee in and switch right knee in. Good. Each time when you take your knee in, you're gonna slightly go up, and take your hip and then neck accent as well. In. Good. We're gonna go twice. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna step back. Right, left, right. Good. Your legs is gonna be right, step back, and put your left toe down. Now from the left, and feet together. Your arms, take your left hand on your hip, your right hand, you're just gonna make circle out and throw. In and down. Good. To the left, to the right, circle out, circle in. And then you're gonna step to the left, and then we're just gonna move left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Good. Your legs, after you step out, your hip goes right, and right, and right, left, right. That's it. The first two right, you can add accent a little bit. The right, and right, left, right, left. Good. Your hands, maybe some of you guys already know, but grab your hair, just twist it. Yeah, be a girl. There you go. Now, after step, now right, and then grab your hair. We're just gonna tilt your neck to the right, left, right. Good. In the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, again, we're gonna step back, right, left. Yes, your legs just gonna be step right, left, and put your feet together. Your arms cross and open when you step back, and put your hands on your knees. Good. Now this is the most sexy part. Here you go. You're gonna take a hip circle, left up, right down, left up, right down. You're gonna go twice. The first one is gonna be a little bit slower. Left up, right down, and the next one is gonna be a little bit faster. Left up, right down, so that you can go all the way down and look up. Good. In a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. Here, since you already bent your knees, you can drop your hip and touch your knees on the mat. hands on the back and look up. Then here you go. You can also open your knees as well. Good. And then last one, you're gonna get up, put your left foot down, left hand on your knees. You can touch your right hand on the back and take your left knee in, out, out. Good, we're gonna go twice. In, out, and then again grab your hair. We're gonna tilt your neck to the left, right. And that's it. Here we go. How was it? Let's do it from the beginning of the second half. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back, step front and left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Step back and hip circle, circle down and left and circle and grab left, right. Good. All right, in a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put everything together from the beginning. From the step left. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay. And pull and step, step, step in. Step back, face front. And left, right, 5 and 6. Slide, tap, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Punch and down, up, down, up. Step back, step front and left, right, left, right, and cross the hip circle, circle down and left and circles, grab and left, right. All right, it's gonna be a little bit faster. Let's do it with a count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it with the music. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for dancing with me. Hope this tutorial will help you to get this choreography and find some details as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below. And don't forget to give us big thumbs up, subscribe my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I'm